Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Ubisoft Connect not sending verification code when you're trying to enable, for example, to FA, right? So the first step what you need to do here, you need to go to security, two-step verification, activate, and then send security code right here on Certificator app or email. And on email, if you're not getting a code, what you need to do here, you just need to go to and write Ubisoft support on search and click on the link. If you're trying to log into your account and you're not getting the code, what you need to do here is to just create a new account, because without an account you cannot contact support. So what you need to do here, just create a new account quickly, and after that the next step what you need to do here, you need to go to Ubisoft support, contact us, and here you need to select account management and security, and then look for account security, and then you just need to write here, hey, I'm not getting verification code on email, and just send a basically to the contact us page, right? If your account, you cannot log in with the particular account, you just need to write, hey, I can't log in this account XYZ. I have access to an email that is connected to XYZ account. For example, can you disable 2FA from it, or something along these lines, right? And then just send an email, right? And that's pretty much it. They will contact you as soon as possible with a solution. Usually, as what I read from Reddit, it can take up to 2 weeks, but nevertheless, looks like there's only a fix that you can do here right now, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.